The 1950 Jaguar XK120 is one of the most legendary sports cars ever built. With its sleek design, powerful engine, and record-breaking speed, this car changed the automotive world forever. It wasn't just a vehicle, it was a statement of elegance and performance. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the history, design, performance, and legacy of the Jaguar XK120. If you're a classic car enthusiast or just love automotive history, stick around to find out why this Jaguar is still turning heads today. The birth of a legend. The Jaguar XK120 was first introduced at the 1948 London Motor Show as a showcase for Jaguar's brand new 3.4 L XK engine. It was meant to be a limited production model, but the overwhelming response from the public forced Jaguar to put it into full production by 1950. The car's name comes from its top speed of 120 mph, making it the fastest production car of its time. It was an engineering marvel, proving that Jaguar could build cars that weren't just beautiful but also blisteringly fast. Timeless design. The XK120 is often regarded as one of the most beautiful cars ever made. Its long, flowing curves, elegant grille, and aerodynamic bodywork gave it a look that was ahead of its time. Whether in roadster, coupe, or convertible form, this car exuded style and sophistication. Inside, the cabin was pure luxury, featuring leather seats, a wooden dashboard, and an array of simple but stylish gauges. The driving position was low and sporty, making it clear that this car was built for pure driving pleasure. Power and performance. Under the hood, the XK120 was powered by a 3.4 L inline-six engine producing 160 horsepower. It may not sound like much by today's standards, but back then, this was serious performance. The car could accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 10 seconds, an impressive feat for its era. Jaguar later introduced upgraded versions of the XK120, with some models tuned to reach speeds of over 130 miles per hour. In fact, a modified XK120 set a record by reaching an astonishing 172 miles per hour on a closed circuit. Racing success. Jaguar didn't just build the XK120 for the road, it was made for the track. The car quickly became a dominant force in motorsports, winning races like the Alpine Rally and the 24 Hours of Le Mans. Famous drivers like Sterling Moss and Phil Hill took the XK120 to victory, proving that Jaguar was a serious contender in the racing world. The success of the XK120 led to the development of even more powerful models, such as the XK140 and XK150, and eventually paved the way for the legendary E-Type. Hollywood and pop culture. The Jaguar XK120 wasn't just loved by car enthusiasts, it was a favorite among celebrities. Hollywood icons like Clark Gable, Humphrey Bogart, and James Dean were all seen behind the wheel of this stylish machine. The car also made appearances in classic movies, further cementing its status as an automotive icon. Collectability and value today. Fast forward to today, and the XK120 is one of the most sought-after classic cars in the world. A well-preserved or fully restored model can sell for anywhere between $100,000 and $300,000 at auctions. Enthusiasts admire it not just for its looks but also for its historical significance and thrilling driving experience. Owning an XK120 isn't just about having a car, it's about owning a piece of history. The 1950 Jaguar XK120 remains a true masterpiece in the world of automobiles. It was the fastest production car of its time, a dominant force in racing, and a symbol of style and performance. Even decades later, it still captivates car lovers around the world. Would you love to drive an XK120? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more classic car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.